Welcome to Feeling Good and Fit, your sanctuary for peace, wellness, and growth. Today, we'll guide you through a rejuvenating yoga session focused on enhancing your flexibility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, these poses will help you stretch, relax, and find your inner balance. So, unroll your mat, find a quiet space, and let's begin. Start by sitting comfortably on your mat in a cross-legged position. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Inhale deeply, feeling your belly rise, and exhale, feeling it fall. Now, let's set an intention for today's practice. It could be to release tension, to gain more flexibility, or simply to enjoy the movement. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Moving to cat-cow pose, we'll begin with some gentle movements to warm up the spine. Come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Make sure your wrists are aligned under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, and tuck your tailbone for cat pose. Continue this movement, synchronizing with your breath for 5 more cycles. Transitioning to downward dog. From here, tuck your toes, lift your hips up and back to come into downward facing dog. Spread your fingers wide, press firmly through your palms, and relax your head between your arms. Pedal your feet to gently stretch the calves and hamstrings. Hold this position for a few deep breaths. Moving to forward fold. Now, walk your hands back towards your feet. Coming into a forward fold, keep a slight bend in your knees and let your upper body hang heavy. You can grab opposite elbows and gently sway side to side. Feel the stretch along your hamstrings and lower back. Rising to mountain pose, slowly roll up to standing, one vertebra at a time. Once you're up, bring your feet together or hip width apart. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead and come into mountain pose. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Now for Sun Salutations, we'll flow through a few rounds of Sun Salutations to further warm up the body. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway up with a flat back. Transitioning to seated forward bend, let's move to the floor for some deeper stretches. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward over your legs for seated forward bend. Hold this pose for 5 deep breaths, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. For butterfly pose. Now, bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees drop open for butterfly pose. Hold your feet with your hands and gently press your knees towards the ground. You can stay upright or fold forward for a deeper stretch. Breathe deeply for 5 breaths. Moving to reclining poses, lie down on your back and hug your knees into your chest. Rock gently side to side, massaging your lower back. Then, extend your left leg on the mat and hug your right knee in. Cross your right knee over your body for a spinal twist. Keep both shoulders on the ground and gaze over your right shoulder. Hold for a few breaths and switch sides. Let's happy baby pose. Next, bring your knees towards your armpits and grab the outer edges of your feet for happy baby pose. Gently rock side to side, opening your hips and releasing tension in your lower back. Let's do the Savasana. Finally, extend your legs, arms by your sides, and close your eyes for Savasana, our final relaxation. Allow your body to completely relax, melting into the mat. Stay here for a few minutes, letting go of any remaining tension. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back, wiggle your fingers and toes, and roll to one side. Gently press yourself up to a seated position. Sitting cross-legged, bring your hands to your heart center. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today and honoring your body. Bow your head to your heart. Thank you for joining me in this yoga for flexibility. If you enjoyed this session, please like, share, and subscribe for more yoga videos. Namaste.